Hey guys, today we are looking at Element Nutritional. Now, this is a company that you probably put on your watch list here. They are a protein healthcare drink company that is plant-based and first to market here and already generating revenue. $20 million was already spent in R&D, and over 18 years of development at the University of Arkansas has already taken place. The product is selling selling has gone through clinical studies, peer reviews, and is already in stores generating revenue. So the current timing as far as getting into this is probably the right timing. If this company has some hyper growth and meets some sales goals, this company could explode in time. The trademark brand is called Rejuvenate, and the formulation is patent protected protein healthcare drink which addresses muscle loss called sarcopenia, which is a massive multi-million-dollar market. And we'll go through that a little bit later. It's a massive catalyst here. The product is already in CVS, Sam's Club, Walgreens. So the product is on the shelves in nearly 20,000 stores today already. So already generating revenue and still have a lot more growth to come. They just recently received their largest purchase order in history. So retailers are really picking up on the potential here, and really getting in on the ground floor. Now the price of the stock is very cheap. It is what you would call a penny stock. So the last time the company issued shares for financing, management or millionaire investors, accredited investors, really paid about 43 cents a share. So you can really get down there cheaper now than those people that bought in. The founder of the company invested 3.2 million, and he owns 20% of the shares himself. So he definitely has skin in the game. The founder of the company, very good businessman. He's been in a couple of businesses and have already had some buyouts from some of his businesses that have $40 million buyout. He's grown sales in other companies as well. So he knows, he's been around the block in the consumer packaged good industry. So if you think about this company, they put $20 million in R&D, and they're in stores already, in major retailers already, and the market cap's only $28 million. So they spent $20 million to develop it. The market cap's only 28, so it's really priced for zero growth. So if they can just get some growth going and achieve some of their goals, the move could be massive here. There's a couple of peers that you can look at against this company, like Simply Good Food or USANA. I'm going to put up some stock charts here to show you what a similar company did in stock chart in a stock price over time as they grew into themselves, right? So this is quite possibly have the potential to achieve some of those goals themselves. So the goal of Element, right, is to employ plant-based technology along with research-based nutritional science to deliver high-value products to their customers, allowing them to live life to the fullest. The flagship brand, right, it's called Rejuvenate. It's a plant-based product proven to improve muscle health, help prevent muscle loss, and help the body build lean muscle. We've talked about the shelf space in the top U.S. and Canadian retailers, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, or on Amazon. So really big growth catalyst there. They have an e-commerce platform that allows shipment to 98% of the U.S. population within 2 business days, and exclusive rights to their patent formulations. So they specifically target sarcopenia, which is muscle loss due to aging, which is becoming known as the new osteoporosis. And we talked about the peer-reviewed clinical studies and 20 million in investment over the last 17 years. Deep product innovation pipeline to target new markets, including oncology, orthopedics, and sports nutrition. Now, when we talk about the growth, look, we got the North American nutritional market worth $50 billion and growing. 63% of consumers are looking for plant-based foods as a healthier source of protein. U.S. ready-to-drink market expected to expand at a compounded annual growth rate of 8.2% to 2025. And the adult protein beverage market currently is over 1.6 billion. And 49% of the population concerned about effects of muscle loss. So, very strong catalyst as we get more health conscious and we start aging, and we start trying to slow down our aging process or our muscle loss. So very nice position they're in here. So if you compare Rejuvenate to some of the more popular nutritional drinks out there right now, like Ensure or Boost, you'll find that Rejuvenate beats them in a lot of categories. More protein, 15 grams of protein in Rejuvenate. It's organic plant protein. It's sugar-free. 100 calories compared to 240 and 220 respectively. It's dairy-free, so it doesn't contain any milk. 14 grams of carbs, 15 grams of total fat, and available in a bunch of different flavors. Like we said, again, significant retail distribution. You got them on Amazon, Walgreens, CVS, Sam's Club. One other thing is you have a brand ambassador. A lot of people may know Denise Austin, very huge health and fitness influencer in America, and she is a brand ambassador for Rejuvenate. So very nice backing there. So the growth strategy, what they're going to talk about here is increased sales velocity with existing partners. So the Walmarts, the CVS, the Walgreens, try to get their sales growth there. Build points of distribution with new partners. So looking at more retailers. Digital paid search and advertising for direct-to-consumer channel. Set 2.7 billion impressions there. And they're going to add new SKUs through existing points of distribution. Now they also have new products coming out, Rejuvenate formulations for immune system, omega meal replacement and sports nutrition, orthopedics, right? Perform studies for pre and post surgery to speed recovery. They're looking at the oncology area. Develop higher dose formulation, perform studies on muscle loss and protein. Sports nutrition, develop higher dose formulations for the JaktRX brand. So definite growth catalyst. They have a plan to grow, and I think this market is ripe for future growth as like I said, we get more people into health concerns, extending their life, living longer, living healthier. So Element Nutrition, put them on your watch list. They're trading under 40 cents at the time of this recording. Only a $28 million market cap. Great catalyst for growth. Already in big retailers. Strong leadership to grow this into something much larger. So hope you enjoyed. Put this on your watch list. I'm going to put it on mine. Like, share, subscribe. And you guys have a good one. Thanks. Bye-bye.